The parsonage allowance is a unique tax rule for religious leaders. Let us look at how it works and what it means for your taxes. A parsonage is essentially a housing allowance provided to a minister as part of their compensation package. This allowance is excluded from your federal income tax, which can provide significant savings for eligible ministers. To qualify, the church must designate the amount in writing before the pay period begins, and the funds must cover legitimate housing costs. Unlike a standard salary, the parsonage portion is not reported as taxable income on your W-2 for federal purposes. By excluding the housing portion, your total taxable income is lowered, which directly impacts your year-end federal tax bill. Record keeping is critical. You must be able to prove that the money was actually spent on housing to maintain this tax benefit. Tax laws are complex, so consult a professional regarding your specific situation. Thanks for watching and stay informed.